Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by equipping the AK-47 and confirming your buy loadout quickly. Money management matters, so reserve $2,700 if you plan an eco. Once done, make sure crosshair placement and mouse DPI match your aim style. That reduces corrective motion. Next, bind crouch and a spray reset key where it's natural for you. Then immediately hop into a recoil practice map to learn the AK's pull. Practicing the first 2 to 4 bullets is the fastest way to see reliable hits. You switch techniques based on distance. For long range, tap the AK with short pauses to reset accuracy. This minimizes horizontal error. For mid-range, fire controlled bursts of 2 to 4 rounds, and once those bursts land, reposition slightly. At close range, commit to full spray. Pull your mouse down smoothly to follow vertical recoil, then counter-strafe immediately to stop movement and regain aim. Additionally, keep your crosshair at head level and pre-aim common angles, so your first bullets you finish engagements by using cover and shoulder peeking to bait shots before committing. Don't fight long open angles unless you have superior position. Once you fire, hold a reliable angle to catch rotators and be ready to trade for teammates. Communicate economy and armor status so buys align. If things go wrong and you miss consistently, troubleshoot. Lower sensitivity slightly, run one tracking drills on a bot map, and test your mouse or pad to rule out hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.